So friends, let me answer the first question. Basically, what is meant by building construction material supplier? Look, there are three type of supplier. First one is order from plant to site. For example, if someone want a construction material, for example bricks, okay, in that case you are just providing the material from ongoing site or ongoing plant. Okay, so in that case you are not a manufacturer of that product, you are simply supplying or providing the product to client. So that is basically order from plant to site. The next type is own storage to site. For example, you are getting orders in bulk for cement bags. In that case, you will not order it from a manufacturing site or something like that. You are simply going to store that cement bags for selling purpose. So basically that is called as a own storage to site. The next one is a kind of a major type, and that is manufacturing the product and supplying it to the required site. For example, in that case you are a manufacturer of cement and you are also providing cement, required cement bags or amount of cement to the construction site. So now the question is, who is your client? Look, basically answer is very clear. A person or a firm or a company who want to construct any type of structure basically are your client. For example, a common person who basically want to construct his residential house, okay, then a builder or a contractor who is working on a construction project. Second type is a private company or a private firm, and the last one is government department. For example, PWD department, ZP department, irrigation department. So there are different kind of government department. So do I really need any kind of registration for this business, that is building construction material supplier? Yes, you need mainly two type of registration. The first one is GST registration for your firm or a company, and the next one is Shop Act for your shop or your office setup. So what kind of skills are required for this business? Look, this business is kind of complicated. It's not like other business which I have already explained over our YouTube channel. So basically there are the most important factor or the skill is understanding or study or the knowledge of building construction material. Basically you are selling that product, so yes, you need to understand basically what you are going to sell. So basically you need to study or need a proper knowledge of building construction material. The next one is very important, and that is study of market. Basically you are selling a product, okay, so in that case you need to know what are the requirement in market, okay, how you can fulfill that demand, then what is the fluctuation in market, what are the rate of XYZ material. So yes, the study of market is very important for this business. The next one is very common and it's applicable for all business, and that is setting up your network in market. So it can be done by your communication skills. So communication skill is a part of skill which is also required for this business. And the last but not least, that is patience. Yes, for this business you need to be a patience, okay. So otherwise if you are kind of a person who just need money and can't wait for a long time or a specific time, in that case this business is not for you. But yes, after some time, when you spend some time in this business, you will get the return for your efforts. Now let's talk about qualification and experience. If you are asking me about the qualification or education, I will say that minimum diploma in civil engineering is sufficient for this business. And about experience, I will say that minimum 5 years of site experience, that is construction site experience, is must for this business. Otherwise you will face many problems. So I will suggest that please spend your time at construction site at least for 5 years. After that this business is yours. Now the very important question, how much you can earn from this business? Answer may vary with following factors. For example, the first factor is business location. Your business location will affect your earning. The second one is competition, and the third is service and material quality. Basically what kind of service and material you are providing to your client is also a factor which will affect your earning. And the final and a very important factor is your experience. If you spend lots of time in this field, then yes, your experience will help you to boost your income or your earning. So in roughly I will say that if you handle everything properly, per year you can easily earn 1 to 5 lakh. But the question is, how much I really need to invest for this business? Investment involve following three factors. and that is the first one is office setup, the second is at least minimum 1000 square feet clear area, or I will say that clear space is required to store your material that you are going to sell, and the third one is worker. Basically, to supply your material you need a worker, that may be a skilled labor or unskilled labor, to work or to handle that material to supply at a specific site. So in that case worker is also a part of your investment. So overall I will say that minimum to start this business at the initial level you need minimum 5 lakh rupees to start the business. Now the final question is, what is future scope? Look, I will clearly say that in developing countries like India, there is no need to worry about future scope. People are going to demand building material for various minor and major construction. So if you have all kind of qualification, registration, skill set, in that case don't worry about future scope. This business is your, earning is yours, and it's waiting for you. Best of luck. Thank you.